USDCAD today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about dollar against Canadian. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and press the like button and then notification button. Click all that, okay? And below the video, we have some links. It says join free Telegram channel. So go and join Telegram if you want some free signals every now and then. And then check out the brokers and the platform right here. Sign up with these brokers. I want you to trade with my signals in a separate account. So don't mix anything if you're trading right now on your own or with somebody else's signal. Just carry on doing that. But when you are going to trade with my signals, open a separate account with these brokers and trade separately, okay? Subscribe, like, do all of that. Coming back to the chart here, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we have not broken this previous low. So if you use your line here, just right here, there you go. This red candle did not break this previous low. So we are officially starting the uptrend in weekly time frames. So weekly, I think, did we take this low? This low was at 35.15 and we have touched down here 35.56. Okay, I think yeah, probably we should go up now. Okay, until this low is not broken, we are not going down in weekly. Okay, weekly is like you get to know what happens after 1 month. Okay, but for now officially we are in the downtrend. But if you are experienced trader, you need to figure out 1 month before if the trend is reversing in weekly or not. So hopefully right now we are in the uptrend. It will be official after 1 month, but I think we are going up in weekly. Well, weekly is something which doesn't make sense what's going to happen tomorrow, right? So now we are in daily chart. So in daily, you can see we are near the EMA. And it's quite possible we might touch the EMA and then we might continue going down. Okay, you never know. Okay, so we have the zigzag in daily. So daily we had been consolidating, so not much there. And this high is broken. You can see this high is broken. So we are in the uptrend for now and looking for longs. Our entry will come from 4 hour. In 4 hour, you can clearly see that we are above the EMA in 4 hour time frame. Okay, so previous highs are broken, as you can see. Pull back, and look for longs. Okay, so you can see zigzag, zigzag, zigzag. If you ask me personally, I'm not touching this trade on Monday unless I see some significant changes. Okay, so this rejection came, and then Friday is a fucked up day. You know that. Okay, Friday is like useless day for trading, so I don't consider these candles for my analysis on Friday. Okay, this candle had a rejection from here, and then we have a bearish hammer. You can see long wick from the sellers. Sellers came and pushed the price down, and again we went up. So Friday doesn't make sense to me. What happened on Friday, last Friday? So these candles don't make any sense to me. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll leave this pair on Monday. I will let the market be more flexible on Monday. Let's see what happens. So I am not touching this USDCAD on Monday. And if you want to look for trades in this pair, look for longs only. Wait for the rejection to come from the EMA, their blue candle. I think this is your perfect setup. Okay, if you take your long here and then you go up, that should be fine. But again, as I said, we had been with zigzag. Rejection, bearish hammer has come here, that we went up. So it doesn't make sense to me. Okay, so I'm not touching this USDCAD personally, but you can look for longs if you want to. Otherwise, we have too many pairs. We have literally too many pairs. Personally, you see my chart here. I have too many pairs to trade. So I don't care, if I have to wait on 2-3 trades. Okay, I can wait on USDCHF. I can wait on USDCAD. I can wait on AUD and or LZD Okay, I don't even touch those pairs if I don't want to. Okay. So there are too many pairs to trade with. If you want to trade, you can trade Euro or GBP. Otherwise, look for longs in the USDCAD and wait for a few candles to publish on Monday, and we will see how it goes. So probably wait for my next videos, or just go and watch my Euro and GBP videos and trade accordingly. Okay. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, share the video, join Telegram, and join this brokers. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.